Today I'm going to show you how AI can help complete one of the most common documents used in residential real estate appraisal, the Uniform Residential Appraisal Report, also known as Form 1004. The form is publicly available on Google, so you can find it just by Googling. Alternatively, you can find it in Instafill.ai catalog. You have this form. Just go to the catalog and use the search bar, something like 1004. And then just open this page and click Fill Out Form with AI. The form opens in your Instafill.ai workspace. Let's take a closer look at it. This is a 6-page appraisal report used for typical one-unit residential properties with a huge number of fields, checkboxes, description fields, and other information to complete. And to complete this report, a lot of information has to be collected from other documents and transferred into the correct fields. Let's attach the source data and fill out this form. Click Submit. Yeah. And while the AI is filling out, let's take a closer look at the documents and information typically needed to complete Form 1004 professionally and correctly. So usually the information used to create this report doesn't arrive in one file. It's collected from different sources and then compiled into one package. I'm not an appraisal professional, so I generated synthetic data for this demonstration. But it represents this kind of information an appraiser might work with. For this example, I have an appraisal order, public property records, purchase contract, MLS information, etc. Let's check. Okay, yeah, the form was just filled. It took only 48 seconds to complete it. Yeah, that's perfect result. So let's review it. As you can see, the owner information, the address is already there. The buyer and owner info is also here. Some data. Let's zoom it in. Some data like contract is also there. Okay, yeah. The main concern of this form is the comparable sale properties. Let's look at the document we have. Yep. Here we have comparable sales sheet and the comparable sales property number 1. We have the same address. The sales property number 2 also has the same address and the rest fields. So basically the form is completely filled and filled professionally and correctly. The appraisal can review everything, may make any necessary corrections or professional adjustments, complete this certification and signature process, etc., and just deliver the final product. So the biggest benefit of the AI here isn't just replacing the appraiser. It's eliminating the repetitive work of reading documents, finding the right information, and manually transferring hundreds of pieces of data into a complex PDF. And this same approach can be used for many other real estate, mortgage, insurance forms where the information is already existing somewhere, but somebody still has to move it into the final document. So, if you work with forms like this, you can try the same workflow with Instafill.ai. Thank you.